Considering SpotOn Restaurant POS in 2025? Let's go over everything you need to know before making the call. SpotOn is built specifically for restaurants, and in 2025, it's bringing even more to the table, literally. From order management to payment processing, this system is all about making operations smoother, whether you're running a cozy cafe or a busy full-service restaurant. One standout is the flexibility. SpotOn offers customizable menus, fast tableside ordering, and real-time updates to keep your staff in sync. Plus, the integrated online ordering and delivery options help you expand without needing third-party apps that eat into your profits. Their reporting tools are another win. You get deep insights into sales trends, inventory, and employee performance, so you can make smarter decisions fast. And with 24/7 support, you're never left hanging during a dinner rush. But it's not all perfect. Some users mentioned that the learning curve can be a bit steep at first, and while the hardware is reliable, it can push up your initial costs if you're just starting out. So, is SpotOn Restaurant POS worth it in 2025? If you're a restaurant owner looking for an all-in-one system that covers both front and back of house with smart integrations, SpotOn is definitely worth considering. It's robust, scalable, and built to keep your service sharp. That wraps up this review. Stay tuned for more no-fluff insights like this.